welcome to this course called Cisco ASA Firewall Basics. My name is Jimmy Larsson. I have been working with networking and security for the last 20 years, and the Cisco ASA Firewall is one of my absolute expertise areas. I have been installing, modifying and troubleshooting hundreds of Cisco firewalls, and I also teach about Cisco ASA firewalls in classrooms. This is an introductory course where I go through the basics and most important details about the firewall. This course will help you understand how to do a clean base installation of a new device. Teaching everything there is to know about the Cisco ASA firewall takes several days, and at the end of this course you will not know everything about the device, but enough to get started. See you!